Okay, so this is another update of our the sneak peek of our Udemy SHMUP course that I've been developing right now, and I'm going just to keep you guys updated with the progress. And I've already recorded so far almost 8 hours of video materials, and that is quite long, and it's still not enough. There is another topics that I need to record, and mainly the management part, which is the save system, the upgrade system, and the shop. But most of the core gameplay is already been recorded, and just I'm going to show you what we have so far. So basically, we have a portrait screen, and the ship can move to the left and to the right with a threshold or maximum limit, and we can pick coin, and we can just
Human rescue.
rescue the human. We can also pick more coins, and I can shoot laser. There you go. This is the laser shooting, and I also can do the
Human
mega bomb.
rescued.
There you go. But we don't have enemies, so we can see the effect.
Human
And now we
rescued.
have the boss fight here. I can use the mega bomb to damage the weapon, the turret. There you go. And once we destroy the first turret, it will open up the second turret, and we can use laser with this. Okay, yeah, I know the boss is still too easy, and somehow we don't rescue or we don't kill all of the enemies here, but if we kill, then it will show the achievement. So yeah, this is so far the update, and I'm sorry for the delay because I've got personal problems in the last month, and I need to deal with it. And hopefully you're waiting patient so far, and hopefully I can finish this soon. Thanks for watching.